Mia with the ball, Mia with the ball. Nice, go, 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 go. Shoot it. Shoot, Mia.
Get in there.
Get it back, Mia, get it back. Get it back.
Keep going, Sia. Keep running. Stay with it. Stay. Keep going.
Get there, Anastasia, get there. Go, Gina.
Sure.
Mia, go. Dile que te la dé. Mia, you have to get...
Tanisha, where's the ball?
Go.
Good hustle, Sia.
Help him mark up. Mark up. Mia, the one behind you. Nice, Anastasia. Go, Mia.
Good job, Lauren. Look,
Mia,
move into
the
the
ball,
space in front of you. Move into the space in front of you. Move into the space in front of you. Tanisha, move into the space in front of you. River, come all the way to the top of that arc. Huh? That's fine. You're actually almost perfect right there, okay? You see, Tanisha's not lined up with you and she's a little bit back, okay? That means she has a couple steps on whoever's running back. And this Michaela, she can run, so that's good.
Anastasia, get back and help out. We're defense, remember. Mark up, mark up, mark up. Follow 12, Mia. Mia, follow 12. That's not following. Nice, Gina. There you go. Nice, Mia, go. Let it go, let it go.
Nicely done, Lauren.
Get back.
You see, Lauren?
Anastasia, go.
Lauren, you see, because you were up, you could get to that ball. Tanisha, stay center. Tanisha, stay center. Tanisha, stay center. If she moves to the right, you got to stay there. Good. Tanisha, you have to be watching what your teammates is doing. So if she comes right, you have to come left, okay?
Nice try, Sia. Turn around, turn around.
Nice, Sarah, go, go, keep going. Go back, Anastasia, go back. Brianna, 12. Mark up.
Lauren? Lauren? Are you on the right or the left now? Okay.
Anastasia,
Are you
more
guys?
middle.
You guys are a
More
little
middle.
bit too close to each other. One of you needs to be up further, and one of
There
you
you
needs
go.
to be.
Right there, right
one of you
there.
needs to be up further. Tanisha, you're actually okay there.
Anastasia,
You're okay there.
Nice. No shot. Nice, nice. Good job, Anastasia. Go.
Stay with it, Green. Come on. Good job. Good hustle.
Michaela, move. Move.
Pressure.
You got it, Ava.
Keep going.
Oh, that's all right. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's a good idea. It's a good idea. It's all right. Tanisha, come this way a little bit.
Sit down, Brianna, if you're hurt. Take a knee. Michaela, go. Go with her, man. Go with her. Nice. Keep going, Michaela. Take the shot, Michaela.
Good defense.
Yeah, with the ball, yeah, with the ball. Target back.
Yeah,
Target
go,
back,
go.
Gina.
Take it. Run hard.
Nice, Gina.
Stay with it, Sia. Stay with it.
Nice, go Mia, go, let it go, go, go.
There you
Michaela,
go.
make a run. Michaela, go. Again, Mia, again. Nice. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Good defense. Good defense.
Nice, Anastasia, come on, move up, move up, move up. Get there, Anastasia, get there. Ooh, go, 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 go.
Run hard.
Nice, Gina. Nice, Gina. Keep going, Anastasia, keep going. Nice. Trying to go, 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 go.
Nicely done, Lauren. Nice job. Nice going to the ball. Stay on it, Yumna. Stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Good pressure. Good pressure. Tanisha, look behind you.
Wrong way, Sarah. Get there, Michaela. Good. Nice. Again, again, again. Talk to each other, girls. Talk. Who's there? Who's there?
Go, go, go.
Nice. Good job. Man, you gotta move, man.
Go, Teal.
Mark up. Mark up.
Go, 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 go!
Mark up.
Find out. Okay. You're running forward. You need to watch her.
Nice, Anastasia. Nice. Again, 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 again.
They have only told us that yes.
Mia, right there.
Well, we do know we're going to stay.
Get there.
So the CEO said the last good company.
Nice job, Jocelyn. Good covering the middle. Good job.
There you go.
Get there, Anastasia. Get there.
They're going to be San Jose, Santa Clara, Sunnyvale, Cooper.
Nice, Gina. Mark up, mark up, mark up. Next to 12, meet Rihanna. Get there, Sarah.
In front of her, Sarah. No turn. There we
Go,
go.
go, 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 go.
Run with it, Michaela. Run forward. Run forward. Don't get in front of her. There you go. There you go, Gina. Get on her.
Offside.
Get back on defense.
Offside.
Offside.
He wasn't
See ya. Take it.
Goalie, come on. Stay awake, Penny. Stay awake.
Michaela. Michaela, when they're running with the ball, don't go towards them. Go away from them.
Yeah. Move to his side. Or move forward. Up to that last defender. There you go. Go ahead and shoot it. Shoot. Why do we not have anyone in the goal? Good job, Penny. Nice save.
Go, 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 go.
Tap, tap.
Nice,
forward.
Mia.
There you go, go, go.
Go with her, Brianna. Go with her.
There you go.
Cross it in.
Cross it in. Shoot. Nice try, nice try. Good job, Lauren.
Good pressure, Lauren.
Corner.
Good pressure, Lauren. Good pressure, Tanisha.
Brianna, take the corner. Michaela, right next to the goalie. Shake hands.
Mia in the middle.
There you go, perfect, man. We're ready to step it in.
Mia,
Not too far.
in the middle.
Middle.
In the middle.
Mia, up at the top. Up at the top here.
Corner again, girls. Come on.
Gina, we're setting in a stage up here, so be ready, okay, in case it goes back. You ready to run back? Get back, get back, get back. Good.
Good job, Jocelyn. Again. Get there, Gina.
There you go.
Our ball, our ball, our ball. Mia,
Good
second
job,
leg.
good defense.
Let's go. Brianna, check in. Brianna, acá. Sarah.
Give it in. Oh, good try, good try.
Mark up now. Mark up.
In October. Yeah.
Good job. Let's go. Good job.
Tanisha.
Mark up.
Tanisha, come up here, please. Come up a little bit. Come to your left. Your
Mark
left.
him up.
Good.
Ladies, it's a kick. Set up for a kick. Gina, set him up. Block the goal. Get in the goal, Ava. Move in.
Just go straight to the goal. It's okay. It's all right.
All right, go kick.
Yeah. Oh, just Amazon. Yeah.
Does it hold iPhones?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. In fact, it's made to hold iPhones. It doesn't. I had to put a rubber band. Yeah, you should look at the brand Yuntang, but they have a bunch of these. This is the cheapest one. It's like $12.
Quick, man, quick.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Have a good day. Okay?
That's a back. Get it back, man.
Gotta step in, Anastasia. There you go. Clear it out. There you go. Good kick. Good knee.
Mark up.
Our team's actually well spread out. Scott, you got good defense there on your goal. They're nice and compact. It's really perfect. Did you teach them to do that?
Yeah.
That's nice.
There you go. Be ready.
Move out together. Kayla, don't run to her. Run away from her. Come here. Nice. Go with her. No, she's not. Number 9.
Okay, ladies, get back.
Back to your spots.
Cover up. Watch the middle.
Brianna, back in the middle, Brianna.
Yeah, get back.
Mira, con 12 ahí. Síguela. Come on, Sarah, wake up. Haz para atrás, Mia. The whole game is like, I noticed that too.
As she gets tired.
That teacher is getting tired. Nice, Gina.
There you go, Gina.
Go.
Push up. Beautiful touch.
Yeah.
He's on, Michaela.
Go!
Go, shoot it!
Yeah!
Good job, girls.
It's okay. Hey, it's okay.
Good job, girls.
It's all right.
That was a great touch.
It's okay, ladies. Get ready. Hey, Becky, can we bring our player back in?
Last time I heard you said that you had an adventure.
Sarah, Mia, come up.
If I had my badge to get in the office, I'd go over to the dollar. And then we can't see it from here, but it's like 2 3 blocks out. Subsidized snacks.
Everything?
All right. So changing things up a little bit.
Same with sodas, right? Other than like
Parents, if your kids need water, you need to bring it to them.
Okay, so we're changing up a little bit. Remember, you're going to be going on
Is there anyone who wants to be keeper? Oh, thanks. Yes. Together the ice ball.
With me?
I put you in goal,
They still have the patio there.
I want you to play really aggressive with that, okay? I want you to come out of goal. If you have a chance to stop, drop the goal and dribble, I'll let you dribble all the way to the goal.
It is a great location.
If you see her do that, you first to support her. But one of you, either you or Tanisha.
Dad,
I know it's called.
can you help me? No, I can't come out. For the millionth. Dad, help me. Quickly. I'm on a time limit.
If we can, we've got to go.
Last time again?
Huh?
Last time again. She's going to be center forward. See ya. You're going to be center mid. Okay?
Sa'yo lang ano? Ulta ka na.